Dear engineers, architects, construction field related people, and the people who are affiliated with the civil engineering and construction field, I have the pleasure to discuss with you about the methodology of installation of floor and wall tiles. So in these slides you will understand the layout, how to do the layout of the installation of the tiles, what tiles are to be selected, what type of tiles are to be selected, and at the same time different stages of installation of tiles are discussed in these slides. So please go through all the slides one by one and read all the slides carefully. You will understand about installation of floor and wall tiles. We were their engineers, the architects, as I said in my introductory slide earlier. Installation of tiles having different stages. So the first stage is preparation of the surface. What surface is there? It should not be undulated surface. It should be a smooth surface, and if you are going to do better addition of the tiles, you have to make the surface a little bit rough of the plaster. Second stage is that layout of the installation of tiles, how to do the installation of tiles. You can read these instructions for the preparation of the surface as well as for the layout of installation of tiles. These are very important instructions, and you have to follow these instructions. Especially I request the site engineers and site staff to go through all these slides. Thank you. Slide as well, I'll discuss. I have some points for you. The remaining points from the earlier slide are here for the layout for the installation of floor and wall tiles. So you can go through all these 5 points again, and you will understand what is the procedure of doing the layout. Point number 4, step number 4, sorry. Installation of floor tiles. In this section I will discuss with you. The points are there for the installation of floor tiles. You have to go through all the points carefully, and you have to implement it at your projects. Especially I am talking to the site engineers, site supervisors, and site staff. Thank you. My dear engineers and architects, this is step number 5 in this slide and step number 6 in this slide. So application of adhesive materials. The adhesive materials are already available in the market, and you can buy it, and pre-mixed adhesive or the cement sand mortar, any of these two to be selected and to be applied beneath the tiles. You have to check that each and every section and every part is being covered with the adhesive or cement sand mortar. So you can go through all these points once again, and you can understand how to apply the adhesive to the tiles so that they can stick to the surface. Step number 6, cleaning process. Now cleaning process is very important, because during the installation of the tiles, you have to keep the gap between the tiles 1 millimeter or 2 millimeters or whatever is specified. So in this gap, dust should not be accumulated in those joints. So you have to first clean all first thing is that you have to protect the tiles after the installation, so that it should be spread with plastic or anything to be any protective, so that the tiles joints should not be accumulated with the sand or with the soil or dust or something external particles thing. So you have to take care of all these things, and then the grout is to be applied after cleaning of the surface. Dear viewers, I am thankful to you for subscribing, liking, and sharing my YouTube channel to all your networks, and to the other engineers, especially the junior engineers and the junior architect. who are willing to have some knowledge about technical knowledge and practical knowledge about the installation of floor and wall tile. These slides are very briefly discussed. It's a vast subject. I will discuss each and everything in future with the details to you, but you can get some knowledge from these points which are in my slides here. So I once again request you to please subscribe, like and share my YouTube channel, of which the link is here in this slide. Thank you very much.